Hello, everyone. So I'm in private practice, public private practice. That's the comedy team punning on the words private practice. How can you have a private practice if you're in the public eye? Anyway, in Asheville, North Carolina, from Sedona land. And I suppose what came to me during this call was what to call myself. I have a lot of fans who have been following the work for a long time. So how about if I just call myself for today, kind of like a family coach, kind of like someone that you can relate to as family. And, you know, we do coaching for whatever you need, for whatever level of awakening, personal healing, ascension work that you're ready to do. We help support that in many different platforms. So let's get right into this. So let's close our eyes one more time. Feel your feet upon the beautiful earth, your palms facing upwards, connecting with the stars. And begin to breathe into your center and feel as if you are being downloaded or you are being overshadowed by a great light, a great presence. Perhaps a presence that you haven't felt since you were a baby. And this beautiful presence is non-local. So it is, how shall we say, enveloping you on all your levels of consciousness and all the levels of your embodiment, all the 144,000 levels of your physical body. And we're just going to sit with this presence for a moment. Abide in the stillness and allowing this presence to just simply be with us, to be with our awareness, our breath, to be with our nervous system, our circulatory system, our bones, our skin, our mind, our emotions. And feel as if this great, beautiful presence is encompassing the earth and all of the peoples upon the earth, in spite of what is going on in the planet. It is enveloping all life forms upon the planet and all of life in the inner earth as well, and in the stratosphere of the earth. And this presence is coming to us, with us, for us, to reassure each and every being and life form upon the planet that our vision of our purpose will be made manifest upon the earth, that we cannot fail. It is already written as destiny that we will each accomplish our assigned assignment, and we will complete all of our homework in divine right timing. And so now is the time to release and let go of all doubt, of all fears, of all concerns and worry. On any level. And then we can allow our beautiful minds now to shine that beautiful light into the world, and that our hearts can now express that joyful presence that is our innocence as when we were a baby. And that our inner child can now be free. It can release the hardships and the struggle and the pain of not being understood. To stand strong now in this beautiful light that is encompassing all of life in this corner of the galaxy. Breathe deeply, tapping in to that incredible space that we would call eternal peace. And let us together allow a divine anchoring of this eternal peace into every country upon the planet, into every government, into all of the leaders, seen and unseen. Feeling that overshadowing of what we call truth. The truth that sets us free, free of the old matrix of struggle. So let us rejoice, for we are approaching our Freedom Day, July 5th, our spiritual Freedom Day. And let us now proclaim, as sovereign beings of light, our creatorship, our impeccability, and our sovereignty. And let us share this vibration with all of our family members, taking a deep breath, asking them to receive this overlay, as well as our ancestors, all the way back to the beginning of time, to all of our pets, past and present, and to all of those that we were once married to in whatever form. And let us for a moment give gratitude and our blessings to Blessed Gaia for allowing us to incarnate upon her body at this time. And to our guardian angels who have been with us since day one. Into the light that we call the great central sun, Alpha and Omega. Our I am presence and prime source. Let this overlay flow all the way through your nervous system and down into the earth. to all the creatures upon the planet, that they may release their fear of humans, and to know that we come as a friend. So as you're ready, come back into this now moment in the physical room in your body, allowing this activation to continue in your dream time tonight and into eternity. Many blessings.